It was a quiet day of trade for the markets. Markets ended down in the red, but I wouldn't say massively down in the red. Clearly, 22,400 is a tough resistance level for the Nifty. They're not managing to stay above it. And you saw a drop over there through the day on the Nifty and the Sensex. Nifty Bank was doing okay, less than 0.5% up, really. So nothing major there. The big loser of the day, I would say, were the IT stocks. Look at the Nifty. IT down nearly 1.5–2%. This is on the back of a CLSA report that saw its outlook on IT companies dim, especially with a lack of clarity when it comes to interest rate cuts. On the other end of the spectrum, I would say the PSU Banks were the winners of the day. The Nifty PSU Bank Index up about 2.5%. Could be several set of reasons, but maybe the inclusion of Indian bonds in the Bloomberg Index by the beginning of January 2025 could definitely be one of them. And look at the kind of run-up you've seen. An IOB up 10%, UCO Bank 8%, Punjab and Sindh Bank, a whole host of them having a fabulous day. I want to pull up the heat map and just show you and give you a sense of how the Nifty ended and what the trends were. Now at the bottom, you will find a whole host of IT stocks. Also the Bajaj twins, Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv have had a tough day of the markets. Not too clear why and what's happening there. Over 4% down. Infosys, TCS, LTI, Mindtree, Wipro, HCL Tech, all of them find them at on the last row. Tata Motors, the big story of the day, of course. The demerger was announced post-market hours yesterday. The PV and the passenger vehicle and commercial vehicle businesses will be split. It'll take 12 months plus. That stock up 4% off its highs of the day, but really has hit lifetime highs as well. Bajaj Auto also did pretty well today, and it was a decent day for autos actually. M&M, Eicher, all of them on that top row, as our ONGC. NTPC had a good day, so did BHEL. The other pack of stocks I must talk about if you want to know what happened in the markets today is IFL Finance, after the news that RBI stopped them from disbursing gold loans at a 20% lower circuit from the get-go and right till the end. IFL Securities, possibly just because they share the same brand name, down about 12.5% as well. And this is where you saw the most amount of pain. On the other side, a Muthoot and a Manappuram had a pretty decent day, ended up in the green, but off their highs because of other companies in that gold loan space, which may have some benefit if market share comes down from an IFL Finance in gold loans. So all in all, a quiet day, but a big news day in that sense for the markets. We'll wait and watch how the day pans out tomorrow.